Okay, we've removed the hardware from the face frame. We're going to insert the screw back to expose the crack. I'm going to take the polyvinyl acetate, just woodworking glue, and we're going to take and squirt that along the crack. And then we're going to come in with our finger and force it down in there. And just pump as much of it down in there as we can. Just working it back and forth across the crack. Once we feel like we've got that glue forced down in there, we'll take and remove the screw. We can do this with a hand screwdriver or with a power screwdriver. And you'll notice some of that glue was forced back out of the gap, and that's good. That way we know we got the area saturated with glue. Then we're going to take a block of wood on each side of the face frame. We're going to add a C-clamp. If it's a large crack, we may need to use 2 C-clamps. We're going to tighten that, and we notice the more glue's coming out, and that's what we want. We're going to take a damp rag and wipe it off. You'll notice a crack has just disappeared. On this one, we may not even have to use a fill stick. Maybe just a little bit of fill stick to hide that remaining line. I want to leave this clamp on for a minimum of 1 hour. I would like to leave it overnight to dry. So after an hour or two, I'll take the clamp off and then allow it to cure and dry. Before I put the hinge back on, I want to take and drill this hole, a pilot hole, slightly smaller than the wood screw that I'm going to be putting in. So if it's 3/16 across the wood screw, I'll use an 1/8 inch bit. And I just want to re-drill that. And we shouldn't have a problem putting the hinge back on.